another package. Alright, I'll go check it out. Oh, welcome back everybody. We got another unboxing video. This one is from ArmyandOutdoors.com. They're out of New Zealand and they do ship internationally via DHL, so check them out. They always have a wide variety of items, and I've already gone ahead and taken out the manifest here, and we can go through these items one by one, and we're going to need to open this somehow, so let me grab something real quick. Not prepared today. Yeah, this might do. I see. So a couple things happened with this order, which I'm not too concerned about. They had actually contacted me via email that an item was out of stock and that they had refunded the price of that item, and the next email was a separate refund generated email, and it was showing up on my card statement already, so done deal there, no problems. Another thing they had mentioned was that as we go through these items, I had ordered a top and bottom in this pattern here, and they had contacted me, reached out to me via email because they were concerned about a difference in the fading of the items and whether or not I would still want to continue with the purchase of those items because they were not matching in the state of the fade or wear of the item. So I responded back and said I understand the nature of surplus material, that you know, there might be variations in condition, but as long as it's wearable, I'd still be happy to take delivery. So they promptly responded back with thank you for your response, etc., etc., and we're going to promptly ship the order, which they did same day. So here it is. So let's go through these items one by one. And I set the list down, of course, and can't find it. So got it right here. So right off the top, let's see what we got here. Looks like trousers, and these should be U.S. Navy NWUType 1 trousers. And you see the variation in pattern here, digital style. Looks like they printed on a light gray with a darker grayish material. Let's see if you can get some better light on it. Sorry, bumped the camera. For blue and kind of a black color right there as a highlight. So give you that variation against probably open water environment and overcast sky, perhaps. It's found in our world's oceans. So quickly, looks like kind of your standard set here. Reinforcement on the bottom, side cargo pockets. Closure is a button. Right there. I'm not going to bother with that. Buttons. 2 buttons. Front pockets are slash on the sides here. Zipper. Button on the top. Single button. Belt loops. Working our way down. Seam at the knee. No drawstrings on the bottom. Let's move along real quick because interested in this. This will be the top U.S. Navy NWU Type 1 shirt. And let's double check, see if there's any labels in here. Yeah, there it is. That is kind of unreadable. L2. Nothing else. Here's our pockets too. Yeah, that tag is real faded. Interesting. So even though the pattern is really strong, the internal labels are pretty much all wiped out. This, on the other hand, feels new. So that's what they had expressed in their contact to me. So you can see the embroidery there. Very nice. Let's see here. Pocket-wise, shoulder pocket, secured with buttons down the front. Schneider, I have your shirt. Thank you. No pockets at the bottom. And another patch there. Very nice. No, that's embroidered right onto the material. Very nice. So this is a good selection here. Another pocket on this shoulder. No secret pockets on the back. If we look in here, very clear label. Navy digital pattern. And our laundry instructions. Kind of glossing over that real quick, but I want to move along here. We got Italian Army triple ammo pouch. So this is the way it's assembled. It's not detachable, and you got 2 snaps in each pouch position. Very nice for storage of clips. Interesting. Let's see. German Air Force overseas cap. Rondo. There we go. Much better. Starly. Wanted to get another one of these, and this is the Czech Army M60 Camo field cap. Has the stylistic braid kind of strap here. It is adjustable, as you can see. 2 loops, so you can adjust your size that way. The flaps that disassemble with the buttons, and our markings right there. Let's see what else we got here. Italian Army sewing kit. Do a separate video on that one. Button loop there. I'm assuming it's got all the materials in there. So let's see real quick. We have a teaser right now. Oh, okay. So we got a zipper compartment and just loose materials, buttons, brass, thread, safety pins. It's in the pouch area. Perhaps needles, scissors. There's a needle pouch right here. Kind of dark there. Needle pouch, scissors, real small scissors. Size comparison. So we'll do a separate video on this. Well, I kind of spoiled the loop. We'll work on that. Alright, getting your point here. Big items. This is the British olive drab pilot overalls, I believe. There's a price tag. Nope. Reference tag. Okay, let me see if I can highlight these real quick. So it is a one-piece item, various zippers and attachment points. Might do a separate video on this one too. Patch attachment area, shoulders, Velcro. Let's see. Whoop. Fumbled the camera there big time, but let's see. That might have helped actually. So, okay, another patch area on this shoulder, pen area, working away to cuffs, also feels like Velcro, yeah. Let's see about the other sleeve. Nope, no pen area on there. The loop point, two zippers, left, right, full zipper down, metal down to the middle. And you start getting a whole array of pockets down the leg, including down near the calf area. And the bottom is Velcro and zippered. Let's see label-wise. Got the big old British style labels here. Pretty cool. And the other pant leg has another pocket down that side, and also a matching multi-compartment cargo pocket. And I think this might be the last item here. French CE camouflage trousers. So they have distinctive kind of woodland pattern of the khaki, dark brown, dark green, and the black on there. Pocket wise, slash on the tops. Kind of a plastic size olive zipper. Button at the top. Right there. Label wise, French style there. Bottoms, no drawstring, and cargo pockets are on the sides and they are snaps. That's about it for this package. Probably do some separate videos on a couple of these items here. So thanks for watching, and check out some of the other videos for more unboxing. Thanks.